During quarantine, like you guys, I wake up in the morning, I do all my household work, breakfast, and I sit on the couch to do work nowadays. Many of you would be working like long hours sitting on the chair or couch, and just to take break, like me, you might be eating or binge watching shows on Netflix, Amazon Prime, sitting at the same sofa. At times we get so lethargic after binge watching or after like long working hours that we tend to fall asleep there only. But what if I tell you that on the same couch you can work out and be fit while watching your favorite shows on TV and even without going out of your comfort zone? So in this video, I will show you 10 couch workout which you can do easily to remain active and fit.
You have to do each exercise for 30 seconds and you can take 10-second break in between two exercises. The first workout is a squat. A squat is an excellent workout for your legs. It helps in burning fat around your glutes, thighs and also help in strengthening your core. You can also do advanced version of squat which is jumping squat. It's a power-packed HIIT version of squats which focuses again on your glutes, lower abs, leg muscle and also improves your strength and balance. The next one is incline push-up. It engages your shoulder, arms, abs, back, hips and legs, but it mainly focuses on your lower chest and back. The next one is decline push-up. It is an advanced upper body exercise that targets the muscle of your chest, shoulder, back and arms. When done properly and regularly, decline push-ups will help increase your overall upper body strength. The next one is mountain climber. It's an excellent exercise to build your cardio endurance, core strength and agility. You work several different muscle groups when doing mountain climbing. It's almost like you are getting total body workout with just one exercise. The next one is triceps dip. It's the most effective exercise for activating the triceps muscle in your upper arm. It also strengthens your chest and shoulder muscle. The sixth one is split lunges. It's an excellent lower body strength workout that challenges dynamic stability and coordination. When done correctly, you will target the glutes, quads, hamstring and calf muscles. The next comes plank hip dips. This exercise strengthens your abs, obliques and lower back and helps to trim down your waist. The eighth one is jackknife. Jackknife is a real test for the abs. It also provides a stretch for the back and shoulder. It requires spinal articulation which improves flexibility and posture, which is essential for the health of your back. Now let's do Russian twist. It strengthens your core, obliques and spine. It's a total core exercise that also works for balance, builds stability in your spine and trims your midsection all at once. The last one is couch tap. Couch tap is an excellent workout for your shoulder, for your core, glutes, quad and hamstring. If you like these workouts and the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Sameer. So let's see how he does the workout. Come Sameer. Tell me guys if Sameer is doing properly this workout and if he has learned from me. Okay, come on Sameer, let's start.
I think I'm beating her quite easily.